want to be a communicator. Communicator means you have to convey the things in a very pleasing manner. So that time you will become a communicator. So I have a one question for you. Communicator is by born, or we will make ourselves communicator, best communicator?
We will make ourselves.
We
Yeah.
should make
We
ourselves.
should make ourselves.
Yeah. So that is a not a God gifted. That is we have, so that's also profession also. Profession also God has not gifted. We are planning for that, to select a particular profession. For that, in our profession, most and important criteria for any profession, for any profession, most and significant criteria for any profession is communication.
Communication
Communication.
skills.
For marketing, for business, for merchant, for entrepreneurship, for leadership qualities, main basic thing is communication. How you are going to present the things, communicate the things in front of many people. So like in one thing, suppose you want to greeting someone. So there are different ways of greeting the to someone, and there are different ways of uh, congratulating. So you have to select the best one. So how it reflects the person, those who are in front of you. So let us start with the presentation. I will share the presentation with you. So this is our training program. We are going through a training program. This is duration of our training program is 3 months. So during this training, one day is very much important for us. We'll discuss and will improve ourselves. So how importance, you should know the importance of communication. For the communication skill is most important thing in our daily life. Okay, in our daily life, how it is important, it it improve your skill set. If you have a communication skill, you have skill set means you are administrator, or you are a merchant, or you're a businessman, or your networking, but you want to convey the things to your higher authority in different and proper manner, then only you'll get the result. How you will achieve the things in your life, in your at home also, you have to do the proper communication through proper channel. If you are going through proper channel, proper communication, communicate the things proper, the things will go smoothly. To go the things very smoothly, and you should belong to a good organization, and you should be there for that organization for many years. So you should be a good communicator for that. So how you have a skill set, but if you don't have a how to communicate the things to the uh, interviewer, or to the person you want to convey the things, that you should have that skills. The most important skill is the communication skill. So if you want to become a best communicator, means you can achieve anything in the world. Okay, so three elements we have discussed about communication globally. We are communicating globally through which language? English language. So try to uh, talk in English, sleep in English, like advertisement is there, Coke, like that. Thinking in English, every time English, 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 English. And develop your external environment by edutainment. Yani ki, means you are mixing the education and entertainment both together. You are getting a English, you are developing your English, then edutainment. So whatever you want to see the things, that should be in the in English format, in English language. Then only you can improve your newspaper, videos, news, you should watch in English. Then if you want to watch a series of serials like Sherlock Holmes, like that, or updated series, you can go for that to improve your English. Improve your English means you have to improve your vocabulary. You change your English sentences. It means you are improving your English language. Okay, upgrading your English language means improving your English language. Different ways are there to speak in English, communicate in English. Okay, you have to increase your vocabulary, and you have to change the in a very hi-fi literature type English, that you if you are saying something, some sentence, that he should understand very means very broad, think about that what you are saying, what like vocabulary, everything you should concentrate on that. Finding the group of friends for communication. So for communication, you should find group of people, those who are interested in communicating in English. And here some are the tips for best communicator. Okay, if you want to become a best communicator, there are some few tips. So let us discuss today what are the few tips of this best communicator. So do you really think that good communicators are born, or are they made? I'm sure you would say they are made. Just now you said they are made, just like doctor, engineer, etc. And you can become a good communicator and a good speaker. You can do it by having, it is a skill which can be learned. If you want to become a communicator, it is a skill. You have to learn that, how to communicate at the situation with the person, like that. Okay. And once you what to communicate, you have to communicate effectively and with confidently. So you will become a best communicator. Realize the things that how important is it is to communicate effectively and confidently. That is most important factors of communicator, that whatever the communicator is communicating, that communication should be very effective, and the communicator should very confident. If he has two factors, effectiveness and confidence, he can achieve the things very fastly. And if you want to improve, you want to upgrade yourself in your profession, so like that, so you have to be a good communicator. Fast track, you want to if you want to enable your fast track profession or career growth, if you want your career to grow, so you should have these two factors, efficiency and confident. Then only your profession will go on fast track and you will get a good career. And one more thing, challenges you have, you realized what are the biggest challenges you are facing. If you realize yourself what are the biggest challenges you have and want to communicate clearly and confidently, the things will be patched up easily. First thing, communicator should and realize the challenges what he is facing, and he is slowly clearly by saying the things clearly and confidently, the things will sort out. Okay, so these are the things. And one more important thing is, in your career or life, if you want to be happy, what is important for you? Both things, life and career. Okay, so if you are a best communicator, so your life and your career will be successful. But you should be communicate in a very pleasant manner. So, but if you want more out of your life and career and relationship, for a human being, three important things: life, career, and the relationship. So you must learn communicate with others. So you should communicate with others. You will be the leader in your place, at your society, in your society, everything. So you should communicate the thing in a best manner. Okay. So one more situation is here in this. Imagine you are sitting in front of your boss and feel like sharing your thoughts, but words do not come out. So, and your colleague share his point, which was now here closer to your brilliant point, but he got recognition and got promoted as well. If you're someone who wants to change that, then yes, it is important. Similarly, expressing your thoughts in a client meeting, social gathering, talking to a strangers, etc. It is a must to have a good communication. Here is the situation in the conference. Many people are there with your boss, other colleagues also there. You have a thought, but you are not getting things in your mind how to communicate that. But one of your colleague has conveyed that in a best manner, and he got the promotion. How you will change the things towards you? Same thing. So that way, with your wisdom, with your skill, you have to communicate whatever is there in your mind, in your thoughts, so that if you won't share your thoughts, views in the organization, into your boss, in the conference, no one will recognize you. So you should if you want your recognition to be a to find out, your recognition should be point out, you should be a good communicator. You communicate the things with a best manner. So then you will become a, you will get a promotion and recognition in your organization. So this is the topics we are going to uh, what are the most important things to be covered in this is communication, in English communication. First, you are meeting in the conference of offices, official meetings like that. So how you will introduce yourself? If suppose you want to introduce your boss also means others, yourself means oneself. If suppose in the conference some guest has come, so you have to introduce that guest in the conference. So like that, these are the different situations. Then common expressions for greetings. So you will start your conference or meeting with some greetings. Start the gathering with the greetings. So greetings should be a formal and informal. So today we'll cover, already we have covered introducing that one. Let me have today's, a few of them are new. So we'll have a 10 minutes introduction from those people, and we'll move to greeting part. Okay. Then activities we have done for English communication, small talk activity. Small talk activity we have done. So we small talk activity today also I cover this because few of them are new today, first class for them. Let us do this small talk activity after this introduction part and the greeting part. Okay, introduction, we have some models, model 1, model 2. For model 1, we have how you will introduce oneself. Some of the common ways are good morning. My name is, I am the new student. Good morning, I am XYZ from Hyderabad, like that. Okay, second model is introducing others. Suppose you want to introduce your teacher. So please meet my teacher. Let me introduce my daughter. I would like to introduce my mother. I am sure you would like to meet my friend. These are the different ways of introducing others. Okay. And you want to introduce your friend to your mother. Suppose, so Lata, this is my mother. Okay. And hello, Lata, how are you? Mother is saying. So this is the conversation between a friend and the mother. And you are introducing your chief guest that has present in the conference. So let me introduce our chief guest, so and so. As you all know, he has come from Poland, and like this, he is the one of the business tycoon like that. You can introduce with the some adjective words. Then for introduction part, after that introduction part, you have each and every person have their goals. So you have to target it, that goals. So what are the steps? So to achieve your goals, you should be SMART. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. You have to work on these 5 factors. Be specific, be measurable, be achievable, be realistic, and timely. You have an imagination in your mind. Goals means that is your there are some views in your mind, that is imagination. You have to make it realistic. How? By giving time, by measuring the things that you have to complete this course, job oriented course in three months. That is a measurable 3 months. How, what you have planned for 3 months, so that you can achieve your goal. And how much time you are going to give in 24 hours, how much time you are giving. Only attending classes, that is not much. You have to work on that. Whatever you are getting from the classes, you just make a note in the diaries and work on that. Each and every sessions you have to work on that. So your efforts also required to achieve the goals. Then we will do this activity, goal accomplishment icon person holding flag. I am not doing this activity once you accomplish this goal. First, recognize your goal, plan it, analyze it. Then one day we'll do, after 1 week or 10 days, we'll do this activity. Man holding a flag means you have to achieve this man, because already this man has achieved his goals. That's why he's holding this flag. Now it's your turn to hold that flag. So you want to take that flag. To take that flag, you have to work on 5 factors, SMART factors. That is a specific, measurable, timely, realistic, that you have to work on that. Okay. So this one, yes. To start with the greetings. So English language, as I said, English, any language, it has etiquettes, manners. So if human being is a human being, should have manners. Each and every human being has manners. So you are conveying the things in particular language called English language. So means a protocol, your etiquettes, manners means you need to follow protocol. Protocol means set of rules and regulations. If you are greet with some words, hello, hi, formal and informal. Okay. For formal means for colleagues, and for formal, hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you are fine. These are the formal things. Hope you are fine. Informal, hi, what's up? What's new? How are you? Like that. Okay, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everyone listening, hope so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
repeating the thing so that repetition is necessary for recapping the things. Some of the some common expression on greetings. Just now we have seen that what's the letters. This is the informal way. This is the formal, informal. Both are. This is formal one. Hi, hello, how. Very nice to see you again. Good morning. Hi, hello, good morning. How are you getting on? How's life? What's the latest? What's up? I hope you are keeping well. I hope all goes well with you. Greetings that you are saying when you are meeting. Okay. And this is the have a beautiful week. So first is the informal casual talk between friends. Okay, between friends, how two friends will talk. Start with the greeting. Then informal talk between two friends. And the informal talk between the two friends meeting on the way and leaving without delay. Okay, so this is the two friends meeting outside, how they are communicating, how they are doing conversation. And this is the formal talk between two colleagues meeting on the way and parting instantly. So they have met, two colleagues, they have met. This is the formal greeting. And the fourth one also formal, when a person meets will go on. Here we have in this two models. So two informal models and two formal models. Okay, so here we have worksheet also. Write 5 different ways of informal and formal greetings. And imagine that you and your classmates meet your professor on the way to your class. He or she calls you to give some instruction. How will you greet him? How will you take leave? Prepare this and or we'll do a for 10 minutes tomorrow we'll have a conversation, okay, on this two questions, right? 5 different ways of informal and formal greeting for 10 minutes.
Hello, Swallow, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
Breaking. Wait.
Assalamu alaikum guys. Inshallah, ma'am will come in a few minutes. Why? Because some technical issue is there because of network. Inshallah, ma'am will come soon.
Okay, sir.
Wait a second. Assalamu alaikum guys. Yesterday I put one message in our group. आप सबको पता होगा मैसेज क्या था.
Sorry for the interruption.
इसके बाद हमने क्या है,
network problem, it got disconnected.
Okay. Ma'am, I am creating you as an host and
Okay.
Continue your class.
Okay. Okay, sir. Jazakallah. Can you see this presentation?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we have done in last class small talk activity. So few of them, mashallah, very nicely they have said about on work, life, travel. They have shared their views, thoughts on this work, life, travel. Okay. So what I have, I said just we will not go for the common thoughts. Have a look on this on work, how it should be questions. Let us have some questions on work. Okay, make a note of this and you just try to write about on this, and we'll do last 10 minutes we'll do this. On work, these are the 5 questions are there on work. If anybody meet you, they will ask you, what do you do? Means this question is based on work. What motivated you to become an engineer, to become a teacher? This is the question on work. This is the question for your profession. Did you always want to be a doctor? This is also the question on work. What work you are doing? Did you always want to be a doctor? What was your first ever job? Before doing every time you are not starting your career with the same job. You will initially start with the small job like that. So what was your first ever job? Did you like till now? Okay. What does a typical work day look like? How did you feel about the work day? That you have to share the things. So these are the 5 questions related to work. So you hope everybody having a pen. So if others are sharing the thoughts, others will work on the things, how you will frame on these questions. So this is our training. This is the training section. If somebody asks you in the company, so you are able to go through that. That's the reason we are gathered here for those things. Okay. So what to do? What do you do? What motivate you to become a, and did you always want to be a? So these are the most important questions they will ask. And this is the general internet keeping healthy. So I will share with you some questions on this topic. So small talk, this one activity. So let us have a discussion. What we have, I have presented you on in the presentation. Let's have a talk on the presentation. Let me have the introduction part from your side. Mr. Syed Mustafa, can I hear from you, please? Yes, Muhammad Usman, can I hear from you? Mr. Muhammad Usman. Mr. Syed Yusuf, can I hear from you?
Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll do for work. What do you do? I'll start from there. Is it okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Continue.
I'm IT engineer. The new innovated information technology has motivated me to be a IT engineer.
Okay, good.
Yes, I always wanted to be an IT engineer because I like the progress in this field and and this and the success in my field, in my career.
Okay.
My first job was IT administrator. Typical workday looks like when I had what does a typical workday look like? A typical workday look like?
Hang out for work.
Hang out for a walk. Okay.
Hang out for work for 9 hours, 11 hours.
Yes.
For IT, 11 hours, hope so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 9 hours. Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Your thoughts are good. Yes. Who else are ready with your thoughts, views?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yeah. First, what do you do? Means for living, I'm working in e-discovery process, ma'am. From last 3 years, I'm working here.
Okay, good.
And the second question, what modifies you to become a like I'm an engineer? Like my mother and my friends, they motivated me, ma'am. Like
Okay.
I was not that much brave student,
Okay.
but every time my brother, my mother, and my friends, they used to motivate me. You have to study. They motivated very much for me. Yeah. And the third one, do you always want to be an engineer? Yes, ma'am. I want to be an engineer. And the fourth one is, what was your first ever job? Before I'm working in India, I was in Gulf. So there, my first job was in sales. I have done my engineering and I have done my computer courses there, but I did not find a job in IT. So for time being, I started in sales, but I continued 2 years in sales there. And the fifth question is, what does a typical workday looks like? Like, ma'am, the first day, that is Monday, it will be very boring. If you are going to office, it will be very boring. If that day will go, then smoothly the remaining days will be going on, ma'am.
Yeah. Once you will get the work, you have to, this is the work you have to execute. It means you will feel like anything.
Yes, ma'am. Boring. It will be some boring. Then when the Monday will pass, then the remaining days will be go very smoothly.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, may I know from few?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. Please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, please.
Yeah. Ma'am, I'm an MBA fresher.
Okay.
Yeah, my father motivated me so much for doing MBA as I'm a very low skills and low like that backbencher, ma'am. So I had completed my intermediate and I don't want to even complete my graduation. But my father motivated me so much. I had completed my graduation and post graduation. Usually, I want to become a government officer in Air Force, but due to some issues and percentage issues, I couldn't. So I had completed my studies further. I'm a fresher, so last two questions does not applicable on me. That's it. Thank you.
Your ambition, your goal is very nice.
Yeah.
You want to be in Air Force, no? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. But my age limit has been it's
you
completed.
have to, for achieving that goal, you have to start your things from. It takes how much time to achieve the goal?
No, ma'am. My age has been completed for that job.
No,
I'll not get that
not
job.
age factor. You have to, for achieving that, you required, you have to start thinking from ninth standard, 10th standard.
Yeah. That's
And only you
that's
can
the
achieve.
main thing. That's the main thing.
Nowadays,
The
education
base,
system
my
is
base
very,
was not strong that time.
yeah. So, you know, if your whatever the syllabus is there in 12th,
Yeah,
if you have understood the concepts in 8th, 9th, it will
yeah,
be clear to you for 11th, 12th class.
yeah, ma'am. You are
So,
right,
this
ma'am.
is the base. Gradually, you're moving towards the goals.
Yeah, yeah,
Gradually, you're moving towards the success, not
yeah,
exactly achieving, taking a
yeah,
jump and taking out. Not like
yeah.
that.
Due to max problem only, ma'am, I was very weak in
Don't
max.
be panicked. Don't think that you cannot do it. You can't do it. I'm
Yeah,
so weak. I am not able to do that. If you do hard work,
yeah,
Allah will make you to achieve that.
yeah,
Hard work is required. Practice
yeah,
and hard work for
yeah,
achieving anything.
yeah,
That is most important factor, hard work and practice.
yeah, yeah.
Practice means you're doing hard work only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, means practice. If you are doing practice, here we are gathering and practicing and we are discussing. If you have
Yeah,
not joined here online,
yes,
would you
yes.
able to discuss these things?
No, ma'am.
Gathering means discussing, sharing our views. You will be knowing others also, others how they think. So it
Yes,
will become a very intellectual conference. It is
yes,
an
ma'am.
intellectual conference. We are sharing the
Yes,
things to
yes,
crack something. To crack
yes.
something, we are
Something.
sharing the things. Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So don't be negative, be positive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the
Inshallah.
best.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, next. Can I hear from others, please? Mr. Muhammad Idris, Mr. Muhammad Usman.
Yes, madam. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
I
madam.
can hear you. Yes.
First is what do you do?
Yes.
Yes, madam. I am doing the process of IT course.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Second, what motivate you to become a
Yes.
ma'am? Sir, Nadim sir is motivating me to become a IT.
Mashallah, good. Yes.
Did you always want to be? Yes, madam. I will always want to be a IT engineer.
Yes.
That last 2 seconds, two options I didn't work on.
Okay. And one more thing, for a good job as a starter, as a fresher, if you have strong technical things, strong technical knowledge, so that is a
Yes,
very positive point for you. Then communicate, you can just prepare yourself for communicating the things. If you
yes,
have the knowledge, make it in a proper manner, proper way, and present it. That is a communicating the things. So these two things you should have in your brain, in knowledge of technical knowledge. Then how you're going to present that, you have to plan for that, and proper communication should be there. If you have proper communication, you can achieve it. Okay,
yes,
inshallah.
yes, madam. Inshallah,
Good.
I will try my best.
Good. You have to work on that and
Yes, ma'am.
speak. Try to. One more thing I want to conclude. If you want to have a communication skill, you want to improve for the freshers. Just
Yes, ma'am.
make a videos on these particular topics what I have sent in the group, and make a videos and send it in the group.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah. Next, can I hear from Sheikh Hussain, Mr. Wahab? Muhammad Irfan Siddiqui, can I hear from you, Mr. Muhammad Irfan? Yes, anybody else?
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm Mohammad Wahab.
Okay.
I'm
Yes.
from Hyderabad and I'm currently doing a BCom computers.
Okay, fine.
I'm pursuing student. So goals are not yet decided, but I want to work with like the organization which can build me or which can help me to independent, like self-sufficient.
Okay.
That's it.
Did you always want to be?
Work with a organization so can like develop me or they can identify my skills.
No, you should identify, you should select, you are going to select organization based on your skill set,
Based on my skills, I can select the organization, but organizations also give me a opportunity to like improve my skills, like a kind of growth where I can growth or where can I like develop my positions and all.
So your recognition should be there. You should be recognized so that you should play a major role in your organization. They will recognize you and they will promote you.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you. And let me, if you have anybody want to share on work, or let us move towards the greeting part.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, this is Mukhtar. I used to work as a mechanical engineer in Gulf.
Okay.
And my father was an engineer here in Hyderabad in HMT company. This is the reason which motivated me to be mechanical engineer.
Okay.
And my first job was as a site engineer in Gulf, and then got promoted to senior mechanical engineer, and then later as a project engineer. And regarding this typical work, all day I used to enjoy this work. I never took it hard. I used to play in this one because this is my favorite, my field job. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, good to know, sir. Who want to come forward with your views? Yes, Muhammad, can I hear from Mr. Muhammad Hussain? Muhammad, Mr. Syed Umar. Yes, can we move towards your next English greetings? English greetings.
Kindly give a response to ma'am. Ma'am was announcing a student's name. Kindly response.
Yeah, we'll discuss. Can you hear me? Yes, we'll discuss tips for best communicator. Okay. So any one of you come up with the best communicator. What are the situations? How you relate communicator with your life, career?
Hello, ma'am. I will start this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. First, communicator means the definition. I'll say a person who is able to convey or exchange information.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. There is one famous proverb, ma'am, like better communication is a huge step towards peace, whereas poor communication leads to war.
Yeah. Good. Very good.
Once I faced an interview like communication. I went for interview. There was a round for HR.
Okay.
Like the first language, he will never speak in any other language. He will speak only in English. Okay. So in English only we have to communicate. Like we have to express ourselves that I'm very honest person and time management person. We have to communicate in such a manner that he should be impressed.
Yeah.
Like he will be thinking, why should I hire you?
Yeah. Okay.
In that way, we have to communicate.
Okay.
And once I got a chance to...
You should communicate that what kind of person he is. Based on that, you have to communicate the things. Yes?
Yes, yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So this is the main important thing. Major important thing, if you want to become a best communicator, think that in front of you who is sitting, what his expectations, according to his expectations, you just communicate the things.
Yes. Yes. And once I got a chance to communicate in one program, like I participated as a conveyor. Like one program was going, I was the conveyor there. I told that he is so and so person. I communicated in between two persons. After his program finished, I thank him like he is brother. This person, he has done this one. Like I communicate to other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
So just you said no proverb.
Yes.
Best communicator can make a peace.
Yes. Yeah. I will repeat it. Better communication is a huge step towards peace.
Yes.
Whereas poor communication leads to war. Because ma'am, poor communication, if he is not communicating, then the other person in his mind, he will think that he is hiding something.
Yeah.
Like negative feeling will come.
Yeah. Your day-to-day life at home also same thing. You should be a communicator and from your home itself.
Yes.
Best communicator. Yes, good. And
thank you.
Who else? Tips on best communicator.
Excuse me. This is Mukhtar. Best communicator is not only just communication, but expressions also. Like eye contact, smile on face, saying hello, how to welcome a visitor. Same, all these qualities should be there. Communication means not just like reading a paper.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
okay. Nice. And here, communicator, best communicator. If you feel happy in your life and career, how you should be a best communicator in relationship, your life, career. One example in career. Anybody? And what are the brilliant points you should counter so that it should be recognizable and you'll get the promotion in your career, in an organization?
I'll add the point in this.
Yeah.
We should have a better communication with our colleagues and seniors, and also maintain a positive vibes with them. And good communication and good behavior will put you up, and which may lead you to another position in your career. And also like communicating in a better way, in a mature way, makes your positive behavior. What is that? It brings a positive vibe from you to other people, so that people feel good with the communication, what you hold, and what kind of communication you do with the people, with your colleagues within your company.
Yeah. And how you will fast track, what are the fast track things you will achieve to make your career and profession to be grow more? What are the fast track things you will select for best communicator to become a profession, your profession, your career will grow? Just any. And
best communicator is not only this one, the one who works smartly. Like a couple of days before, we have done one exercise. Like visited our company. He is from Germany and all this. Yes, this is the best example. The one who is entertaining this guy, he's one way he's supporting his boss. Hello. Like this, he is getting promotion like this. One way he's representing his own company as if he is in next position to the boss.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Like in place of boss, he is representing the company.
Yeah.
So this is the best communicator is the one who can do all these things.
Yeah. You are correct, sir. Yes. And one more example here, one of the biggest challenges that many of them are facing is to be able to communicate clearly and confidently. So in this, on this topic, like your communication, suppose one situation is there and you have the biggest challenges you are facing with that, and but in that situation also, how you will communicate very clearly and confidently. That is behind your scene. Suppose you have you have personal life and everything at home, some problem has occurred, and you have come to the office, and how you will manage the challenges you have at home, and you have to you have a meeting conference, you have to be clear and confident. How you will communicate? Biggest challenges that many of them are facing is to be able to communicate clearly and confidently. So that is most important thing in any organization. Whatever you want to convey, that should be clear and confident. On very effective also. Effective means in the sense, whatever you are saying that to the gathering, in the gathering or in the meeting, that should be effective. Everyone should understand perfectly and do it. So that means that is a recognition in the meeting or conference. Okay, any more situations you want to say? Anybody? Please. Yes, please. In this tips for best communicator is very much important in the organization.
Yes, ma'am. There is also a stage fear when a person is communicating. That is also one thing.
Yeah.
Most of the people, they have a stage fear. In oneself, they can have a conversation with one-to-one. But if they are in front of multiple people,
Yeah.
they have a sort of stage fear and they couldn't speak much.
Yeah. Clearly and confidently.
Clearly and confidently.
Even in front of their boss also, they won't able to clear. They have there in their mind, but they will not communicate clearly and confidently. That's the reason the growth will not be there. So how you will develop these things?
Developing these things would occur only once you start speaking within your friends, or having a conversation with multiple peoples, which may lead you to have to come over with your stage fear and makes you confident.
In last class, we have discussed this mindset also. Yes, we have seen this mindset also. You have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
set your mind also for that.
Yes, ma'am.
And
we have to set our mindset and then have a proper, as you have taught us, think in English, talk in English, and then do 3-4 tips, and it will help you a lot. It will help us a lot when we are communicating with some other person, to have a better communication. And to have a better communication, it's not only about the things you speak about. It is also about maintaining eye contact within the people you're talking, within the people with whom you're communicating, and also your body language.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. And what else? Yeah, here you can see here. Once again, I recap this. Important to achieve a goal. Here. To achieve goal is write down your goal out of your imagination, set a deadline, work on your mindset, develop your skill set, take the first step, continue to completion, reward yourself. Reward yourself means promotion.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the things you have to make a note of this. I will share in the group these things. Please, whatever the meetings we are doing during these 3 months, make a record in your diary so that you can have a look after these sessions. Okay. So keep the things with you, whatever the seminars, sessions, symposiums, synopsis, everything you have to keep with you. So that means you are developing yourself. You should be a gentleman, like a gentleman in the organization will be recognized by the organization. So be professional. So just now you said mindset, you have to skill set, you have to be mentally prepared for anything. So for preparation, before going anywhere, we are doing the preparation. Okay, we have to give some time for the preparation before going anywhere. So mindset, skill set, everything required, and deadline also. Our deadline is here. 1 hour we are spending here and making our mindset in this topics. And first step we are taking, we are making a note of the points what we are discussing in the class in 1 hour. And take this first step is to continue these things of completion, isn't it? First step you have to take is to continue with this flow.
Yes, ma'am.
For 3 months. If you continue with the flow, in the flow only human being can do it. If you have a flow, you can do it. If you stop, you can't. And inshallah, you will rewarded with the good opportunities.
Inshallah.
Okay, so this is your target goals. Inshallah, we will do, if you are in the flow, we will do this activity of goals of this. Okay, goal accomplishment. Once you realize yourself that you have set a goal and you want to accomplish that, we'll do this activity inshallah. Okay,
Inshallah.
I will share this picture image in the group. Just text here. These are the 3 blanks. There, here you can write what you want to achieve. Okay, right there I will share this image in the group. Okay, inshallah. Anything else left? If you want to share your things on these topics, please. Anybody?
Ma'am, it would be good if we could get an opportunity to speak within the people. Like as you said earlier, that you'll make some groups within the group, whatever we have, and then it will be better that we together will have a small conversation.
Yeah. I will plan because it will complete 10 days. Will stability should be there, no, in the meeting.
Yes,
some are coming, some are going, like that it's going on. So still we'll see 15 days. After 15 days, finally we'll segregate the things and we start. Okay, and daily basis. Last class I have given rating of the class. Today also I will give the ratings. Okay, daily wise. So please come up with your things interactive. It should be some results should get, no. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
So I will share the ratings also of today's class, inshallah. So
Sure.
be prepared. I will share the things what I have discussed in the class in the group. Okay, inshallah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.